300 shots fired in a Milwaukee shopping center parking lot last night.
And that hail of gunfire injuring just 2 people and waking neighbors out of their sleep. Fox 6's Aaron Maben live at Midtown Center with the aggressive search for the shooters. Aaron?
Well, Marion, Ben, hundreds of bullets went flying across this parking lot behind me last night during a large gathering, and it could be heard for miles.
Bro, dog. There was like 1,000 cars in Midtown, and now they're fucking having a shootout. Dog. Have you called 911 yet? No. Police were already up there. Shut the door.
Get over here.
I am.
If they're handguns, most of the bullets should not reach this far.
I know, this is so sad. There's gonna be so many.
Listen, you can hear cars.
I know, I was on it for a long time. I was sitting out here.
Oh. Oh yeah, them fucking guns. Them fucking guns. I see that shit. Alright, cuz, we gon'. Get the fuck out of here! Bitch, they shooting! Hold on, cuz, hold on. Oh shit! Ah! They're fucking shooting! Huh? Man, Vontae, this motherfucker still. This shit still. I've been on your side. Nigga, just get this motherfucker out of this area. Get into. Oh shit, he got some big shit. Ah! Oh shit!
Police Chief Jeffrey Norman says over 300 shots were fired in the incident.
We only have 2 adult Milwaukee individuals who were harmed in that incident, but it could have been a lot worse.
Monday morning, evidence markers covered the pavement as investigators searched for clues to help solve the crime. Authorities continue to piece together shooting details and search for suspects.
We're starting to develop a new reputation here in this state, where we're not just known for beer and cheese, we're also being known for mass shootings as well.
Common Council President Cavalier Johnson heard the hail of gunfire from his nearby home.
I thought myself how I would feel if one of those bullets had hit one of my children.
The shootout adding to the uptick of recent violent crime in Milwaukee. Leaders working to solve the gun violence to ensure safety in the community.
Public safety is a team effort. This is not only on MPD in regards to how can we make our city safe.
Right now, the Milwaukee Police Department is working with federal authorities, the ATF, and also city leaders to investigate and get to the bottom of this so nothing like this happens here again. Right now, there is a search for suspects. They're also trying to figure out how many guns were used in the shootout. Reporting live on Milwaukee's northwest side, Aaron Maben, Fox 6 News.
300 shots. That audio is just absolutely jaw-dropping. Aaron, thanks.